Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel, Carolina's Creations Handmade. The perfect place for you to learn how to make beautiful things of your own. So make sure if you're not a subscriber, you click the red button down below. And also, please click the bell button down below so you don't miss any of my videos. And today I have a super cute Dollar Tree haul. I went to the Dollar Tree and I found so many cute stuff. And also, I have a sneak peek of a project that I made using some of the Dollar Tree items. And I'm going to have a video tutorial for it on my next video. So you don't want to miss it. And it's so cute. It turned out so adorable. I know you're going to love it. So let's start with my haul. First off, I didn't know they had eyelash trim. I've never seen it there before, and I saw it and I thought it was so adorable. The colors are so cute and they are so unicorn. Look at this one. Isn't this amazing? I saw this and the first thing I thought about was a unicorn. I'm like, oh god, this is going to be so great to make projects for like candy and unicorn theme projects. This is adorable. So it's awesome. It's just $1 and look at this eyelash trim, so cute. So many projects that you can do with them. And look at this. Oh my god. This is just so super cute. It's so funny looking. It's so cute. This is also unicorn. You see this and the first thing you think about is unicorns. So I was like, I know what I'm going to do. So I purchased a few of this. And they're super cute. I have one project that I made with using that one that I'm going to share with you, the sneak peek. Look at this little cute thing. The little unicorn, so cute. A little plushy one. I like this. I will remove this little key holder here because it's not some, I don't like that black one, but isn't this so cute? Adorable. And I also found that this too, they don't fit in here because it's too many things. But look at the stickers. These are wall stickers. They're removable. You can use them anywhere. I don't buy them for using them on my walls. But I love them for projects. And look at how cute. Look at those little stickers. So adorable. So, oh my god, look at that. Aren't they so super cute? And it's just $1. So I'm going to make a project using this, and they're so adorable. I also love this one. This one is like the boho style feathers, and I so love those. And I am working on a project with this one too. I just love this, and I love that you get so many of them in this sheet, and it's $1. And they're really cool. I love the colors, I love the feathers, I love the style. So I purchased those, and I know they had this before. I've been seeing them and I never picked them up. I'm not sure if I'm going to use them much, but they're useful, so I picked a couple of this because I think they might be useful sometime. Then look at this. Look at this unicorn pants. Aren't they adorable? Oh god, they're so cute. They're so adorable. This would be great for travelers' notebooks or for planners and stuff. So I picked up several of this, and they had them in pink and blue. And I think they have them in aqua too. I don't remember. I have to check my drawers to see if I left an aqua one. I think they have them in aqua also. So I purchased several of those, and ooh, I just realized that this little one lost the horn. So this one is not a unicorn. It's still cute anyways. And then look at this. Look at this. These are cosmetic bags, but they're so cool. And I think these are great to carry like your traveler's notebooks in your purses and stuff, so you don't get them damaged. Or you can use them for cosmetics or things like that. I'm planning to use them to package my traveler's notebooks, and I think these are so cute. And it's only $1. They have them in the hot pink. They have them here in this mint color. I love it. Yeah, if you see my nails, they match. I love mint. They have this blue that is adorable too. So I love this. And then they had this too. This is like a boho style also. The feathers. I love the green and the hot pink zipper ones. So I picked up several of this. I really like them, and I'm going to make some ball shaped traveler's notebooks, and this would be perfect to package them in. And then I found this. These are great for shakers. And I'm going to use this for the shakers for my traveler's notebooks. I know people love shakers and traveler's notebooks and things like that. I'm not too crazy about them because I don't like the bulk inside. I don't think it's practical to write when you're going to write on top of it because it's bulky. It's not. So I'm going to make a more flutter style, and I think these are going to work perfect for them. So I'm going to use this. And I love the colors. Look at those. So pretty. And I also found this little sticky notes, and I thought they were so adorable. Look at this one. This butterfly is super cute. They come with 100 sheets, so it's plenty of them for $1. And these would be great to put on your dashboards on your unicorn projects and things like that. I like that it has sort of like rainbow colors. And now look at this one. Follow your heart. It knows the way. I love it. It's a heart. And this one says be positive. They're so cute. They usually carry sticky notes there, but they're not very pretty. These ones are so nice. This one is a cloud, and it says never stop looking up. And this one will work great also on a unicorn themed project. I love this. And then this one is so bright and sunny. Says create your own sunshine. So this is great because those I'm going to use on my summer projects. So I love them. I really think these are really nice. I bought several of them because I've never seen this kind before there. And then I bought this one too. This is a sticky notepad too. This one is a lot thinner. It's only 50 sheets, but look at this. It's beautiful. I love it for a flower theme traveler's notebook for your dashboard or your planners with this. It's beautiful. So I purchased like 4 of those that were left. And they had this. I saw this before. I didn't purchase them, but they had them again. And I want to purchase them because I want to give them away with my traveler's notebooks. I'm going to include one of this with them. And then this one is a planner for 2018. I know 2018 is halfway gone, but it's still halfway, and you still can use the rest for taking notes and things. So this is super cute. I love the print. And now look at this. Look at this sign. I love it. Let's be mermaids. I so love this. It's so cool, and this is going to go somewhere in my craft room for the summer. Look at this one. Aloha. I love this, and I love the sleeves. These are my favorite right now. I'm obsessed with them, and I so love finding this over there. I think it's so cute, and I love the glitter. You know, I love glitter. So I think these two are amazing. I love them. I so love this too. So they're going to go in my craft room, and they're going to be great. And now I'm going to show you a sneak peek of a project I made using some of the findings from the Dollar Tree. So stay tuned for my next video, because my next video is actually going to be a tutorial on how I made most of the cover. The outside, I'm not going to show how I made the glittery part, because I have a video on how to make your own foam sheets. This one is a traveler's notebook, and it's made with foam sheets. So it's really cool. It's really cute inside, and I'm not going to show you much of it yet because I'm going to have a video tutorial for this one, and I hope you guys like it. Also, I gotta tell you, I get 3 names for my hidden giveaways. So I'm going to give 3 names out. So you guys had to contact me and give me your address so I can mail you a little prize that you won for watching my videos and leaving comments on my videos. So this is a giveaway for my magnetic paperclip, and on the magnetic paperclip video, the winner for the hidden giveaway is Lisa. Ellen, Lisa, thank you so much for being so supportive, so sweet, and so nice. You won one of my little hidden giveaways, so you'll be winning a planner from the planners that I've shown before on my prior hauls. And also there's another winner, and this winner is going to be for my Gorgeous Girls Spring Collection online haul. The winner of this hidden giveaway is Missy Pooh. Hi Missy, thank you so much for watching my videos and for your support. I so appreciate you guys. So contact me and let me know your address, because I'm going to send you a little planner that you won. And there's another giveaway that is for my latest video, my coloring video, and that giveaway goes to Florentina Lila. Hey Florentina, thank you so much for watching my video. So please contact me within 72 hours so I can mail your prize. It's another planner from one of my hauls. So the three of you, please contact me. That would be Florentina Lila and Missy Pooh and Ellen Lisa. Thank you so much guys for your support. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much to all my new subscribers and welcome. And thank you so much to all my existing subscribers. Guys, your support means so much. And I hope you guys have a great weekend. And I'll see you back here soon for another video. Bye-bye. Love you guys. Mwah.